one. It's kind of a little heavy.
What is that?
It's for you.
No, that's for you. That's Santa and the snowman, huh?
And this one and this one, that one.
What is that?
That one is for mommy. Here you go, Ma. It's a
Thank you, Michelle.
That's your new present there. Here
Thank
you go.
you, Michelle.
You can keep it. It's called
I'll
a
keep
rock.
it right there. How's that? Keep it right next to the tree.
And
What else you get?
can you open mine?
Yeah.
What is it? I'm gonna close my eyes when you say to flies, okay?
Okay. Want one right now?
Say to
There you
flies.
go. Surprise.
Thank you, Chuck.
Yeah. Okay, now put it down for right now. Okay, what else you got?
I close my eyes and he says to flies. It's chocolate.
Good. What else you got?
Okay,
Go get
else
it.
you got? Michelle, what else do you have? What?
Come on.
Come on. Let's see.
Daddy goes in his, he goes in his life and he does something special for me.
Yes.
And Daddy and Mommy too. Mommy, open your present. Can you open your present?
She's thinking this is the Christmas present.
Open your present.
Okay, I'm going to open mine. Don't worry about it. This chocolate, I think.
Come on, let's see your stocking.
Go get it. What do you? What else you
See
have?
all the stuff you got. You got, it sounds like you got a lot of stuff in there.
Wow!
Boy, look at that Christmas tree. And there's something inside.
Open them more.
M&M's.
You have more, Michelle. Come on.
I have more too.
We got more. What do you got?
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
This one is cute, Michelle.
Look, mine is a bear and a penguin and another bear and another penguin.
That's
Cute.
pretty.
And there's a bear,
I love this
a
one, Michelle.
penguin, and a bear and another bear and another penguin.
All right.
Open those.
No, I'm not going to open them yet, okay? Those are gummy bears.
Gummy bears.
Yeah, big gummy bears. Look at how cute they are.
They're cute.
Yeah.
There's a bear one and a penguin one and another bear one and another penguin one.
Yeah, that's a penguin. That's right. That's cute.
Okay, open them more, Michelle.
Okay, what else you got?
I have another
Well,
one.
you got a lot in there, huh?
I have another special one.
You do.
This one.
Let me see.
And then I have another one.
Oh,
And,
that's a puzzle. It's got a hexagram and probably an octagon.
and I
Wow.
have this for you, Mommy. It's for you. It's a mini one for you.
What is that?
This is for Mommy. It's for Mommy.
Oh, this one is
What
cute.
is it?
And I have another one for you.
What is that? What is the one mommy has?
This one, David.
For you.
Oh.
And that one's for mine too. That one's mine too. And open it.
Let's go open everyone for you.
That's Mike and Ike. That's just like jelly beans.
Okay, what else, Michelle? What else? What else?
Man, you got all sorts of stuff, Michelle.
Feliz Natal, Michelle.
Feliz Natal. Feliz Natal.
What's that?
I have this.
What is it?
And I have it all.
It's one of your favorites.
And this one too.
Yeah, you remember you had one
You remember?
for Halloween?
Yeah, just for Christmas time now.
The witch one with the cake hat, and this one's the Santa one, George the reindeer, and then sleigh, and what?
Yeah, look at this is marshmallow.
Marshmallows.
Yeah.
I have another one.
Oh, boy.
You happy, Michelle?
What's another one? This.
Wow, this one is cute.
Oh, look at the little reindeer. It's a little dough.
And I have something
You
else.
know what that is? That's chocolate chip cookies.
And I have these.
What is that?
Look. See, those are mine.
Those are jelly beans. Wow.
This. Cookies.
Oh, boy.
They're called cookies.
No, they're little chocolates.
And almost this.
Another marshmallow.
Another marshmallow.
You love marshmallow, Michelle,
you
you
got?
say.
You got more in there?
Yes.
Boy, you did okay.
Another marshmallow.
Oh man, look at all these marshmallows. You can take those camping, huh?
And this too.
Wow.
It's a boot.
That's a boot, is right.
This one you can put on a Christmas tree,
Oh, it's got
Michelle.
M&M's in it.
It's a purple boot.
That's pretty.
It's a boot. I don't have.
You
That's
done?
I don't have some anymore. I have lots of more. Can you open the
Just from
marshmallow?
Santa, Daddy?
You want a marshmallow?
Dad, can you open?
Okay, you can't eat all these today. But yes, I can.
Okay, say thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Just say bye-bye. Look at mommy.
Bye-bye.
Look at mommy.
Bye bye, Santa.
Look at mommy.
No, I'm
Come on.
bye bye, Santa.
Mom, come on. Look.
Look at mommy and say bye-bye, Santa.
Say bye, mommy.
Look at mommy and say bye-bye, Santa.
Bye,
Kiss.
Mommy.
Bye-bye, Santa. Say bye-bye, Santa to the camera.
She said don't care. She have a lot of candy. She said don't care for mommy anymore.
How pretty that is. Watch out. You get hurt.
It's
Look at
not.
Santa. Is that Rudolph?
It's
It's
not.
not Rudolph. He doesn't have a red nose.